What is going on, you guys? My name is Jordan. Welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, I absolutely love cars, and for the longest time I've been to so many different car meets and so many different car shows. It has been something that's been a big part of my life. I used to do a lot of vlogging content on this channel specifically. A lot of that was incredibly fun. I kind of want to try my best to marry both of those together and show you guys literally how much I love cars. One of the biggest things about my entire time going through college, working our way or my way into trying to get into pharmacy school and starting a business and things like that, it's all been incredibly hard. Something that I've wanted to get out of doing all of that, to kind of reward myself, but also show a lot of progression with the business my way through school. I'm incredibly excited today to unveil a project that we've been working on for a little over a year now. And this is my 2022 Toyota GR Supra. The big why around why we decided to choose a 2022 Toyota GR Supra for this build was because in every part of what we're doing on the build, dedicating it towards Freshen Up Energy, is the idea that we wanted to find something that screamed high octane, that was a very high energy vehicle, that was incredibly cost effective, and we weren't gonna go, exorbitantly buy something super crazy, but something to build and turn into an iconic piece of our business. Underneath the hood of this 2022 Toyota GR Supra 3.0 Premium, it is currently actually sitting on 19-inch FS1 FRS wheels in bronze. Wheels that we have on this vehicle currently right now are all-season Pilot Sports. Absolutely amazing for the beautiful weather here in Salt Lake City, Utah. Underneath the hood, we are dealing with an inline-6 twin-scroll turbo engine. It is the B58. It is a BMW engine. It does get talked about a lot. I absolutely love the vehicle for what it is anyway. The 3.0 Premium pushes 368 pound-feet of torque, and with the current mods we actually have on the vehicle over the last year that we've been adding to it, is now actually dynoing over 400 horsepower. The exhaust that we have put on this is a single exit SP1-R full titanium exhaust. It literally runs from the turbo as a downpipe to the back. The wind buffeting is so bad in this car that we have literally also added real carbon forged buffeters. The very last things that we have added to the Supra is one of the sickest additions to the car, which is at nighttime we do officially have underglow that we do showcase the Freshen Up colors. This being a Freshen Up build, it is one of the coolest things in the world to actually see in person, as you guys do see from the B-roll right now. And guys, one of the most exciting things about this build that I'm most excited for is bringing you guys with us through. We're gonna be wrapping the car. Your guys' logo is gonna be put on it. We're also going to be doing some point of view driving videos. We're also gonna be doing so much to it that I can't wait for what the future lies, but we want to bring you guys with that, and we're definitely super excited to continue the car channel and build it into something incredibly fun that's going to be more for you guys than anything, because this is just a big project that we're incredibly excited about, and we truly could not have done this without you guys. So I'm super excited about it. I should say super excited about it, but I'm definitely thrilled to be able to put this together with you guys. So I can't wait to take you guys with us through the whole journey.